Today we're unboxing this. Today we have the MiBox 4K Ultra HD. So this is a setup box that runs on Android TV. And we're gonna unbox it today just to see what's inside. Android TV. I don't know much about it, but I'm guessing it'll turn your TV a little smarter, and you can install these apps like Netflix and whatnot. There's my knife. Gerber. I actually can't remember what the name of this knife is, but I really like this knife. I'm gonna find it on Amazon and put the link in the description below if you guys are interested. Let's see. Box this one. I actually bought this one not for myself. I am actually using an Amazon Fire Stick, and my mom in the Philippines wanted one of these, so I just picked one out on Amazon, read the reviews, and picked this one up to send to the Philippines, and hopefully it works. I think it will work. It's about 50 bucks. As you can see from, let me open the box. You see it right there. Almost like a size of a coaster right here. Very plasticky feel. Still pretty nice. So there's an audio out, HDMI, USB, and the power. Nice, very light. It seems very stable. Wow, it's very slippery. It's just plastic feet right here. There you go. You get the manual. Quick start manual. What's in the box? Yeah. Right, put it back. What else is in here? So it does include an HDMI cable. I'd say this is pretty short. I don't think you're setting it up pretty far from the TV, so this should be enough. Let's see if there's anything in the manual that says how long is the HDMI cable? It doesn't say. Power brick. Let's see. Very important part of it is the voltage. See, can you see that? Okay, so input of 100 to 240 volts. That's pretty good. For y'all that maybe not know, the Philippines uses 220 volts. Unlike here in the States, that's 110. So this should work just fine without a transformer. That's great, it's good news. Batteries for the remote, and here's the remote. It looks, oh wow, this looks pretty nice actually. Look at the voice activation button. I'm guessing this is Google Assistant as it's Android TV. Very tactile, clicky buttons. Camera's not focusing. There we go. See? I'm not gonna take it out of the plastic just because I don't want to put it back. There's a dedicated Netflix button, all apps button, I'm guessing, and a back button. Very tactile, very clicky, very nice feel, very light. I'm pretty excited actually for my mom to use it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna set this up here, just so they'll have the full experience. My brother can take care of that. Hope so. That's all it has in the box. Power, battery, HDMI, and the remote. and of course the, there we go, just jam it all back in there. Manuals go back in, and MiBox S, I'm guessing that means small. I don't know if there are other versions of it. Just put this back as nicely as we can. So this was actually an unboxing and a boxing video. Here you go, MiBox S. Android TV. Well, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.